Karan, and now I'm going to show you the moves, the basic moves of a Rubik's cube. Then first we start. We'll start with the up. So we'll learn U. Now what is U? Basically the moves are what? U is the short form for up. Up means this, the top layer. Up means we have to just look up. See, we have to just look from the up, this thing, and then move it clockwise. How it is clockwise? Clockwise is like this. So just move it clockwise. So this is up. See, if you move it clockwise, means then see. Clockwise means like this, and like this means like this. See, like this. So U means up, and up means this. Now I'll show you U prime. U prime is basically counterclockwise, means the opposite of the actual thing. In the starting, you will not be able to do it quickly, but afterward, in your muscle memory, you will feel that it is boring, but there's something kind of muscle memory. In that, if you continuously keep on doing some movements or formulas, you can like save it in your muscle memory. Now we will learn about R. R means turn on the right side clockwise, like this. Means R is like this, up, up. See, R is this, U is this. It basically goes like this, See again, R, U, L means like this, clockwise. By looking at the left side, so L means down, R means up. So what is it basically like? It is basically going like this, this, and this. It is going like R, U, L, and D. See this. So we can get a figure like this, like a windmill or kind of thing. Here we can fit any color, and this is like a windmill. Now we have learned about, what have we learned about now? Let's redo this. Now we have learned about all the basic things. Actually this thing is counterclockwise. The steps are, R means like this. It's clockwise, don't believe on me. R is like this, then R prime means the opposite of the actual thing. U prime, L prime, see like this, D prime. Now we have learned about the basic things. Now we have to learn about what is F. F means front, and front means this. This we have to move clockwise, means we have to move this like this. Is that simple? And B means back, behind or back. So we have to just turn it and see. We have to just see. I'll explain about colors also. We have to just turn it and move it like this. Means, see, it basically like moves like this. Means, just see, like this. It goes like this behind. See this. See again. And B prime means behind prime, in the opposite of what we had done. So we have learned about the basic now completely. You can note this in a book or something, or diary of kind of thing. Then I'll teach you what is U2, R2 and 2s. twos means we have to move the thing in the like 2 times. U2 means U1. I mean, there's no U1. There's only U and U2. So the opposite color comes on the front side. And what is R2? R we had learned it is like this. Do you remember? Now R2 is 1 and 2. R2 means again the opposite color. So let's do R2, U2, L2, F2. No, we'll do all the 2's one by one. See, R2 is this. See this. U2 is this. L2 is this. And what is this? Down. D2 is this. And then F2 is this. Then B2 is this. B is like this. F is like this. F is like this. B is the opposite. See. So we had a figure like a scrambled figure actually. Yeah, see, these two come this side like something like this. So now to redo this, we have to just do B. See, we have to do B2 again. B2. Then last we had done F2. Then we have to do D2. What is D2? D2. L2. L2, U2, R2, and hey, what is this? Did we do any mistake of Yeah, we did a mistake actually. Yeah, we have done a mistake. So, I will show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube next video. This time I have done a mistake. So y'all have, now I have to teach you what is R and R. Sorry, what is small r, small u, small l, small d, small f and small b. So small letters means you have to hold a block and move 2 blocks. This is small r. And small r prime means small r prime. Sorry, this is small r and this is small r prime. Small r2 means like this. Okay, hey, we got. I cannot solve it. Actually, I'm trying to, but I cannot. In the next video, I'll show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Okay?